So, hello everyone. Now we will start the our next case, that was the autism spectrum disorder. Okay. So in autism spectrum disorder, if we talk about these case, so autism. What is autism? Okay. Autism is a kind of disorder where child are indulge in their own activity. They are very self-obsessed in their own behavior. Okay. So if we talk about their cases, so and their complaint, what was the complaints if we talk about to these autistic child? So they are very stubborn child. Okay. uh, they are not very they are not allowed to flexibilities. Okay. They are very aggressive. They doesn't listen to others. They do not allow to listen to others. Okay. They have the communication issues, because these child are indulged in their own activity. They are not communicate to others. Okay. Poor sentence formations, because if somebody try to if somebody try to learn them any new words or any new sentence, so they have to be they have to problem while framing the new sentence. Okay. So these all are the few informations related to autistic child. Now history we talk about to, so they are very stubborn, they are very angry, and their speech will be very delayed, and they are not able to communicate easy to their others. Okay. Their eye contact are very poor. They are very self convey people. They are not allowed to other to convey, and they are not allowed to other to interfere in their own activities. Okay. They are very concerned to their own self. Okay. So these all are the histories we will talk about to these autistic child. So now if we talk about their thoughts, so their lack of concentrations, it's a very major problem. We will find out with these person, they do not able to focus in one thing at a one period of time. As a teacher, as a special educator, or as a counselor, they are try to and push up a very strong, but they are not communicate, and they are not try to focused in one thing at one period of time. They are very stubborn people. They are not allowed to just show any flexibilities to any activities whatever they do and whatever they will provide to do. Now if we talk about their cognitive functions, so their cognitive functions also hamper because of their thought are hamper. So we will we will talk about, okay, if their thought are not if their thought are not proper regulate, so there it's a hamper to their cognitive functions. Sorry. Their judgment, they are very they are very too young to if we talk about their judgment. If we people are not as a counselor or as a teacher, you have to be not very quick to judge to these child. Okay. Now inside, and these all are the assessment. Okay. I just upload. Okay. I just upload these all are the assessment. So if we talk about the status mental status examination to these, right? So here the general appearance behavior. Okay. So if we notice out to these people, they are very dressed and very simple. Okay. If we find out any example to any kind of people or any autistic child, so if you notice out, they are very they are very they're very they are very indulged in their own self. And they are not allowed to others to interfere in their own activities. Okay. They are not allowed to others to talk to them. Okay. And they are very easy to frustrate, they are very easy to annoy. Okay. Movement and their behavior, So these their movement and behavior, so they use a very repetitive word and very repetitive sentence whatever they use, whatever they and this is a very easy way to find out to these child. They are repetitively use their sentence, okay, whenever they talk to them. So they are use one thing at more than 2 or 4 times, okay. They are very restless. They do not show any kind of activeness in their activity. They are very lazy, and they are very lethargic in their activity. They disturb very easy. They do not able to comprehend anything, okay. It's very difficult for them to comprehend anything. Now their speech are very messy. These people, they are not any find not able to find out any clearance or any clarity in their speech, okay. And they are very, okay, they are not understood. They're not, as a counselor, as a special educator, you are not allowed to understood very easy. And their words are very repetitive as their major problem, as I earlier talked to you. Their mood and their affect are very irritative and very stubborn. They are not flexible. Their mood will be swings, okay. Now perceptions, if we talk about their perceptions, so these people are disturbed and are seen from the client, okay. So if you notice out to these people, so they are they are very easy to disturb, and they are very easy to annoy, okay. So these are their perceptions, okay. Now if we talk about their biological functions, so their sleep, their appetite and their energy, these all are they also affect from their earlier conditions. So their sleep in earlier sleep are not normal. But if you provide a regular therapy to these child, so they got a proper sleep, okay. They got a regular, or they got a normal sleep. Now their appetite, so their appetite is not normal. So what do you do in that case? You have to do what? You have to provide a very favorable conditions where child will be easy to adopt their environment, and uh, they do adopt their appetite as a normal appetite, okay. Their energy, they are very active people. They are excessively active, and it's not normal for any normal child, okay. Their family history, as a nuclear or joint family we talk about. So as a nuclear family, what you notice out, in a nuclear family, it's very difficult to engage these child, because in nuclear family, if you notice out, in a nuclear family, everybody, they are very talk to their own self. They are very indulged in their own self. They do not allow others to they talk to their oneself, okay. So in nuclear family, it's very difficult for these child to adopt or learn something in their parents or their sibling itself. But in joint family, it's very good for these kind of child, okay. They in joint family, these child are, they show their expression, and they show their expressive behavior, okay. Now family, personal history, what you do, uh, personal history. In the personal history, their birth and their developmental milestone, these all are the cover in their personal history, okay. Now their behavior, so their behavior is very aggressive, very irritable in nature, and very restless, okay. These 2 or 3 points which is a very important. They are aggressive, they are repetitive behavior, it shows. They are very restless, okay. They not shows eye contact to their elders and their teachers, okay. These all are the common problem in the case of autistic child. So these all are the tests. So these all are the tests, okay. So thank you everyone for all about the autism. Now if you have any query, or if you have any problem, so I just upload all the tests which I write in this case. So this is the case number 4. You have to revise once more autism, okay. Thank you everybody.